In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account in Roblox. So you can't directly delete your account within Roblox itself with a click of a button. So you'll have to contact Roblox support for that. So go into a new tab in your browser and then type in roblox.com/support. And this is where we are going to ask the Roblox employees to delete our account. So type in your Roblox username here, your first name, which is your real name here. Type in your email address 2 times, and then for device, you can choose any device you're on. For the type of help category, select scroll down until you see I want to delete my account. And then for the help subcategory type, just select the same thing. And that's it. So just describe anything you want here. Just say I don't need this account anymore, and then click continue, and that's it. And then Roblox will contact you a few hours later or days, depending on how busy they are, and they should delete your account after that. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.